Yay, my box, come, my box, come, my box, come. See what is going on in the box here. Let's see what's going on. My first order, Jamaican stuff. Jamaican food stuff in Japan. My first. Let's see what's going on. I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community.
Yes.
Is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. The box tape up so good. Nothing couldn't drop out. You can go and tell the girls that some of the things then fell out because this, my gosh. Oi! Oi! About the box. Should never throw it away. Alright. Let's see what is going on in the box now. Alright. Some callaloo. This is gonna be my first time having callaloo in brine. Where is this made? Product of Jamaica. Alright. Direction for use: callaloo and saltfish. Drain and discard brine. Saute onions, sweet pepper, and saltfish in Royal Montego coconut oil. Add well drained Royal Montego callaloo. Stir to distribute evenly. Sprinkle with black pepper. Maybe served with boiled bananas and or fried dumplings. It's gonna be my first time having canned callaloo. I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes. I bought some plantains. Okay, they're not the most awesome plantains, but what can we do? We just gotta do the best what we gotta do. I miss plantains so much. I'm just going to I'll baby up them plantains here. That's why I asked for green ones so that, you know, them the right for me. And this is, I'm sorry for all the persons who don't eat pork. This is some pigtail. This is some pigtail. Wow. It looks a bit different from what I'm used to, but yeah, some pigtails. I'm gonna use it to make stewed peas. If you are Jamaican, you know the drill. Stewed peas, yes. And also pea soup or just, yeah, regular soup. And some patties. Caribbean food delights. So microwave for 2 minutes. Jamaican style beef patty. Beef turned over with a flaky crust. Let's see how these patties go, because you know it's not a tasty or a juicy beef. Those who know. Those who know. Let's see. I'm going to actually have my Japanese neighbor taste this and tell me what he thinks. Yeah, so the box come. I'm happy. Because, you know, we just gotta make the best of what we have. It's not the coronation market planting them that we're used to, but I shall enjoy them. I shall. Yeah, so Caribbean food delights, spicy Jamaican style beef patties. Flaky crust made in USA, spicy. Tear here before heating. Beef turnover with a flaky crust. Okay, this is the packaging. Microwave on high, 100,000 watt oven, 2 minutes. Remove package from microwave and tear We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it now. Thank you for watching my Ari fam. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it so you don't miss a post. To see how this and all that was in the box went or how they taste, please check out my video linked right above your head. Thank you for watching. Boom bang, I'm out.